For restaurants, rather than using the table numbers in a list format, we can actually add these in a floor plan format, and it is retrieved via the floor plan icon that will appear here once we create the floor plan. To create a new floor plan, simply go to Settings and Floor Plan, and it is blank, plus to add new. In this case, we need to give them a name in case you've got outside, inside, or different levels, so it will cater for multi-level, 10 rows and 7 columns. Save. We will now tap on these cells to create our floor plan. Let's start off with an entry. It's an inactive item. All we're going to do is say this is the entry. We can select the color as well, green. So save. Enter a name, entry, door, save. So we've got the entry door. So let's select our tables now. Tap on the icon. So we see some tables going across. It's an active item. We want to link it to an existing table number. So these need to be created. If not, you can press plus to create new table numbers. Our table numbers were created. We want to know what type of table it is. It is simply a corner table, and save. Table 2, and give it an image. Once again, I can actually select the color as well depending on defaults. So now we can go across and do all of our tables, and you continue building all your tables. Active, link, table 4. Type of table, it's actually the same sort of table. We have already added our inside tables. Now I'm going to add a garden table layout right here. So we go to, once again, tap one of the cells, active item, link a table. In this case, it's not in our list, so I'm going to add a couple of garden tables. So edit, add item. So I'm adding a garden. We'll call that 20 table number. Save. Can save. Garden 20. Let's add another one. So garden and garden 21. Done. Select garden 20 is linked, and that would be a large table, and we want it to be, let's make this a color, and let's add another one here. We can go the reverse. That's the table. We want the active item being garden 21, and select the color again. So now we have a floor plan. Let's go back to sale. Now we see a new icon appearing. Tap on the new icon, and here we have the table layout. So if we want to serve a table, say table 10, you simply select it, sell your items, extra onion, park sale. It will default back to the particular floor plan. So here's our new docket, Dine-in, table 10. If the customer wants more items to be delivered to that table, we simply tap on the table number and add further items onto that sale. And we'll print the new order dockets, cancel, and do your other sales. If you need to, you can always go back to the table layout there and print or finalize the sale.